In this picture, I'm going to apply liquid masking fluid to the White House. To protect the bristles, I'll dip my brush into some soap first. This acts purely as a protective barrier. Then, I'll apply the masking fluid to the paper. It is crucial to let the fluid dry completely before I start painting. Once it's dry, I can paint over it freely. I also need to wash my brush immediately after application to keep it from sticking. At the very end, I'll peel the fluid off to reveal the clean, white paper.
Thank you for watching. What did you enjoy about this piece, or what would you change? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.